Good afternoon. Here we are on Seaview Fishing Pier, which is located on North Topsail Beach, North Carolina. We got light winds today, calm ocean. We had our first spot run a couple days ago. We've been releasing some big drum at the end of the pier. Haven't caught any last couple nights. A lot of bait fish swimming around in the water. Finger mullets coming through. See a school coming off the corner of the pier. See him swimming in the water by the pier. So today the bottom fishing is a little on the slow side. I know at night the bite turns a little better. We're catching pompano, sea mullet, red drum, trout, spot. Caught a king mackerel yesterday. Some Spanish blues were jigged up. Water quality on the good side. It's getting cleaner. Take a look at the water. See about 3-4 foot down. Starting to get green. Not much white water on the beach. Take a look at this side. Setting up for ribbon fish, catching ribbon fish. A lot of bait in the water, you can see it. All the bait rippling in the water. More schools coming through. So all the way down the pier. Ribbon fish bite was decent last night. Decent slow. Tonight could be better. Guess I'll talk to y'all later.